Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Janita Williams. Today was one of those days where I just wanted to reset my space and do something that makes me feel at home. So I started with the sitting room. It had been calling for a little attention. So I decided to dust, sweep, and rearrange my pillows. I also gave the floor a good sweep and a mop. There's always that feeling, guys, when like you feel so peaceful about watching your space transform. It always feels like you're clearing the room as at the same time you're clearing your mind. Anyway guys, I painted this myself. I painted all these art pieces, you call them, all these art pieces. I did them by myself. Everything from the word go, I did it myself. This is the view when you look outside the window, and when you're at the balcony, this is the view. It's just a quiet place, just quiet green. Nothing much, just simple. Once everything was clean and calm, I moved to the kitchen and decided to make some mandazi. These are slightly sweet fried buns. They are soft inside and they get that goldish color outside. Perfect for tea or coffee, those guys. I'm going to make mandazi, soft mandazi, and I'll be using a small, which is like margarine, and then I'll be using baking powder, oil, a milk, like milk. Sorry, I use Swedish at times. Salt, sugar, and then my wheat, which I'm going to use. And this is the bowl which I'm going to use when I'm mixing my ingredients. So guys, pull up and see. So in a bowl, I mixed 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 2 cups of milk, also a teaspoon of margarine, and ginger. How we call it, yes, baking powder. So guys, I get confused at times. It's really hard to speak 2 languages at the same time. I have to keep to speak my language, Luganda. At times I speak English. At times I speak Swedish. At times it's very difficult to speak them at the same time. After that, I canned it gently. can use fresh one or you can use dried one. It's up to you. For me, I prefer it fresh. You get a better taste of it. And you don't have to overdo it. You just do a little, so just to get that smell and that taste of it. We are going to cover it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. It depends on how you want it. And let it to rest for 45 to 1 hour. You wait for 45 minutes. Then after I rolled up Madazi into shapes, heated the oil and then started to fry them until they were golden brown on both sides. Piece popped up golden and crispy on the outside. They were soft and hairy inside. So guys, the end of it, I had a clean space and a full plate of Madazi. Please like and share. I hope you like the video.